Who could imagine life without you? From the moment you walked into my world, never knew how long a loving flame would burn, but losing you has forced me to learn that we can change the way we feel inside, and every try in love never turns out right. We both know it's better if we just let it go. So let's have one last kiss, one last touch, one last tender moment between us, one last dance to our first song, while pretending there's nothing wrong. Let's lay here for a while and cherish every moment we're in now. We both know it's better if we just let it go. Every time I try to take a stand at all, I see your face again and I fall. In the middle of the night, there's a scent of a rose, the smell of your perfume, I suppose. But we can change the way we feel inside, and every try in love never turns out right. We both know it's better if we just let it go.
Wala man lamang kahit na bukas, at ang pag-ibig natin ba'y talagang magwawakas? Hindi ka ba nanghihinayang? Nangyari ba'y ganun na lamang? Wala na ba ang init ng pag-ibig mo? Naglaho ba sa puso mo? Kaya't ngayon ang mahal mo hindi na ako. Sabay katulad kung kayang tawanan ng hapdi, at kung sakali iwan mo ay kayang umiti. At sana man lang ay malaman niya, hanggang ngayon minamahal kita. Maghintay pa rin